Are you tired of battling traffic or struggling to find a parking spot? Say goodbye to those woes and hello to the world of electric tricycles. These zippy three-wheeled wonders not only make your rides more enjoyable, but also add a sprinkle of fun to your daily commute. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or just looking for a convenient way to run errands, we've rounded up the best electric tricycles that will make you feel like a kid again, without the training wheels. Buckle up! Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Soumye Tricycle, our pick for best budget electric tricycle. If you're on the hunt for the perfect blend of budget-friendly and adventure-ready, look no further than the Soumye Electric Tricycle. Say goodbye to boring commutes and hello to exhilarating rides. With a zippy 350-watt brushless motor that hits 15.5 miles per hour, you'll breeze through the streets like a pro. And that's no exaggeration. Worried about battery life? Fear not. With a removable battery that lasts over 30 miles on a single charge and 40 miles in pass mode, your adventures will barely be interrupted. Plus, it's designed to keep you safe from overcharging and other battery bummers. Let's talk comfort. The Soumye isn't just about speed. It features 3 riding modes to suit your mood. Glide effortlessly with throttle power, pedal with a boost, or go old school and kick it classic. And with a stable carbon steel frame weighing only 74 pounds, it's as maneuverable as it is reliable. What's more, you'll always have your essentials at hand, thanks to spacious detachable cargo baskets that fit all your picnic goodies or grocery runs. Plus, assembly is a breeze with 90% pre-assembled parts and a handy manual. So why settle for ordinary when you can electrify your ride? The Soumye Electric Tricycle is your ticket to a fun, safe, and stylish journey. Hop on, buckle up, and let the adventure begin. Number 4. MOONCOOL Tricycle, our pick for best electric tricycle for large basket. If you're in the market for a ride that combines the charm of a tricycle with the power of an electric bike, look no further than the MOONCOOL Tricycle. This sturdy yet stylish three-wheeler is perfect for adults, whether you're zipping around the neighborhood or tackling that daunting grocery list. With its vibrant chartreuse finish, you'll be the envy of every pedestrian. Watch them do double takes as you glide by. Equipped with a robust 350-watt motor, this trike gives you the boost you didn't know you needed. Hit a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and feel the wind in your hair, minus the risk of scalp injuries. Plus, the 7-speed rear derailleur means you can conquer any hill without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget about the massive rear basket, perfect for hauling home essentials or snacks for your next picnic. The MOONCOOL Tricycle isn't just about fun. It's about safe and reliable riding. With double rims and disc brakes paired with an LCD display that allows you to choose your ride mode, you can navigate your adventures confidently. So gear up, grab your groceries, and get ready to redefine your ride. Who knew adulting could be this entertaining? Embrace the tricycle life. Your inner child will thank you. Still searching for the perfect electric tricycle? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Meetone Tricycle, our pick for best folding electric tricycle. If you've been dreaming of a way to conquer the open road without breaking a sweat, say hello to the Meetone Tricycle, your new best friend in the world of electric rides. This isn't just any trike, it's the breeze-folding electric tricycle, packing a powerful 1,000-watt motor that zips you along at a breezy 20 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising to the grocery store or taking a scenic ride, the 80-mile range means you won't be running out of juice anytime soon. Crafted from high-tensile carbon steel, this beauty can handle a whopping 450 pounds, making it as sturdy as it is stylish. And let's talk comfort. Your backside will thank you for the oversized saddle with backrest, perfectly designed for those who prefer a semi-recumbent lounging position over the standard bike seat from medieval times. Plus, With a front hydraulic suspension and fat tires, you'll glide through bumps like they're mere whispers. Don't worry about fumbling around. The state-of-the-art color LCD display keeps you updated on speed, battery life, and more, all while your hands grip the ergonomically designed controls. With 2 baskets for all your shopping needs and a reverse gear for those oops moments, this trike is ready when you are. So, gear up and let the Meetone Tricycle sweep you off your feet. Who said adulthood couldn't be fun? Number 2. PUCKIPUPPY Tricycle, our pick for best dual battery electric tricycle. If you're in the market for an electric tricycle that's more than just a bike, let me introduce you to the PUCKIPUPPY Husky Plus. Imagine a ride that doesn't just get you from A to B, it practically transports you into a realm of convenience. With dual batteries boasting a range of 90 to 110 miles, forget about range anxiety. This bad boy can take you on epic grocery runs or leisurely park jaunts without breaking a sweat. And let's talk power. With up to 960 watts, you'll be zooming past that neighbor who still rides their old rusty bike. Comfort? Oh, it's got that locked down with a quadruple comfort configuration. Basically the cozy blanket of the biking world. Plus, the LCD display makes you feel like you're piloting a bike spaceship, and the hydraulic brakes are so responsive you'll feel like a superhero when you stop on a dime. Did I mention it comes with a basket and phone holder for all your snack needs? Grab a buddy and snag a hitch bike rack for double the fun. PUCKIPUPPY isn't just a tricycle. It's a lifestyle upgrade on wheels. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the electric revolution! Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. NARRAK Tricycle, our pick for best electric tricycle overall. If you're tired of tricycles that can't keep up with your adventurous spirit, then meet the NARRAK Tricycle, the electric ride that's about to change your game. This isn't just any trike. It's your new wheel-wielding sidekick, packed with a robust 750-watt motor that can peak at a thrilling 1350 watt. Say goodbye to sluggish rides. With its nifty rear hub motor and differential system, you'll glide around corners like a pro, leaving ordinary bikes in the dust. But wait, there's more. With a UL-certified 48-volt 13-ampere-hour battery, you can roll for up to 50 miles in pedal assist mode. That's right, more time exploring and less time tethered to an outlet. Need a break? Switch to full electric or stroll mode, and let the trike do the hard work for you. Safety first, they say. The high-performance hydraulic brakes offer double the stopping power, perfect for those oops didn't see that coming moments. And let's not forget practicality, with upgraded baskets for all your treasures. And yes, that ice cream sundae definitely counts. Built from sturdy aluminum, this trike comfortably supports up to 290 pounds, blending durability with style. With the foldable, step-through design, you'll not only look good, but feel good too. So why settle for the mundane when you can roll into adventure with NARRAK? Your epic journeys await. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best electric tricycles. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which electric tricycle you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.